Here are the some few images of holiday homes. This one is holiday home of Agra, very good and neat and clean holiday home, and also there are different holiday homes at different places, and the images and the uh, other details can be obtained and are available in the website in holiday home list of holiday homes and other details, images of holiday homes. Everything is available at eShampada website. And now, foremost thing, the first thing is that whether one is eligible for booking holiday homes, central government holiday homes or not. From this window, one can check whether he is eligible for applying for booking of holiday home or not. Central government, retired or serving, state government, employee, PSU, employee of PSU unit are eligible, and all details can be checked here. And this one is the first thing for further proceeding, whether one is eligible for applying for booking holiday home or not. One can book a holiday home, a room of any holiday home for maximum 5 days, and he is not eligible or he can't book two rooms in same holiday home for same period. If required, he or she can book further room for his guest, but the cost is almost 3 times of personal visit. If the cost for personal visit is 350, then for guest visiting it is about rupees 950, around that, and he can book further room for same period in the same holiday home for guest, but not for himself or herself. One can book room in any particular holiday home for 10 days, but there must be some gap between these two periods, from first day of the month to 5th day of the month, then again from 7th day of the month to 11th or 12th day of that month. In such a way, he can book to any room, single room for a particular holiday home, but not for same period. He can't book two rooms, more than one room. Only he can book for his guest, but the cost is about 3 times of the personal visit cost. Previously, the website for booking central government holiday homes was holidayhomes.in, but this website is now not available. This has been closed. The new website address is eShampada, and it can be seen, it is given in the next window. Here you can see that holidayhomes.in is not reachable. It means that it is not actually available. It has been closed, and new to book holiday home, that is to book central government any room for in central holiday home one is to go to esampada.mohua.gov.in. It is new website address, and in this portal one can proceed to move to book room in central government holiday homes. It is the first page or home page, dashboard, not dashboard, actually front page of eSampada website. If you are new user, haven't registered ever, then you have to register yourself either through your mobile number or email ID. During registering, you have to enter your mobile number or email ID, and OTP will send to your mobile or to your email, and that OTP is to be entered to confirmation your identity, to prove, to know who are you. It is a kind of KYC. So you have to register yourself first here. After what, you have to log in eSampada page for further proceeding to book room in any holiday home. After registering, you have to log in eSampada page for booking or any other activity in the eSampada page. So you have to enter the email ID or mobile number through which you have registered yourself, and after entering the mobile number or email ID, you have to enter the OTP received in your phone as a message or email. After entering the OTP, you can go further for further proceeding for booking rooms in any holiday home. This one is the page for login. You have to enter here his or her mobile number and OTP for login. It is the dashboard from where you can further proceed for check availability of rooms for any particular period as per your plan or program, and the rate of pay, everything, and finally for booking. This one is the dashboard from where you have to go further, you have to proceed further. Also, one can check the list of holiday homes available at different places of India from this page. After knowing that holiday home is available at the place where he or she wants to book, then he can proceed further. And next, rate of rent or the cost of payment to be made for single night is to be checked here. Here it depends on the category and the number of days, and whether the applicant is will visit personally or for guest. The rate of rent depends on these factors. The rate of rent for personal visit is approximately is 3 rupees 330 per night, but this one is 3 times for guest booking. That is, if one is booking for his guest, then the cost will be about rupees 990 per night, and also he can book for maximum 5 days, whether for himself or herself, or for his or her guest. Even if one would book for guest, the cost rupees 990 per night or per day is not expensive in comparison with the quality, standard, and privacy of the holiday home. The all the holiday homes of central government are highly protected area, neat and clean, and as such, the even if the cost is rupees 990 for guest, it is not expensive. I think that it is moderate. After checking the rent of pay
rate
per
of rent,
day or per
availability
night
of rooms,
and availability
in
of
particular
room
holiday home for particular period,
particular
and
location for particular period, then for
after
booking
confirming
one
everything,
has to choose
now for
the
booking
tab or
one
click the tab
has to
holiday
click the
home
tab
or guest
or
house
option
booking.
holiday home or
Then
guest
he
house booking.
or she has to
That is a book for
enter
booking
the
holiday homes
data,
or guest house.
that is the
He has
personal
to
data
then
as
choose
applicable
the
in
tab,
her or
and then
his
he has to
case,
pause it,
and
he or she is to understand the meaning of each column, each option. And also one thing, mind it, before entering the data, you have to finally enter the scanned copy of your identity card, your photo, and also the other details, and check for once what kind of scanned copies are required to upload in the system. And after confirmation, after completion, the application is to be submitted. After successful submission of the application, then the payment option will arrive, and the necessary payment is to be made through different options given in the website. And after successful payment, the confirmation message will appear. And one should note the booking ID. It is most vital for any future reference, and one should download or save the booking letter. It is required to submit at the holiday home after arrival.
This one is the page where all details, personal details are to be entered, like name, address, date of birth, and the where you are and at in which category you are working, your identity card details, identity card number, and also one is to upload the scanned copy of his photo and also a scanned copy of the identity card, the number of which has already been entered in this page, and the details of himself or herself and the other members accompanying or visiting with him or her are to be entered here, and all details. After entering all details, then the application is to be submitted. After successful submission, necessary payment is to be made through different options given available in the website, and after successful payment, confirmation letter and confirmation message will appear. I will suggest to take all the screenshots and save it in your PC or mobile phones for future reference. The booking ID is most ideal, and it is to be recorded and saved and noted somewhere for any future reference. It is most vital.